As a relative newcomer to the school, what I found when I came here was that we have very passionate lecturers and teaching staff, and we're very student focused, and we value our students very highly, and we invest a lot of our time with our students. But we don't compromise on the technical nature of our subjects, but we do provide lots of additional support for our students.
I think one of the best things in the world is to be able to transfer knowledge, and by doing that, by doing this, the academic job that I'm doing right now, I get the most satisfaction by teaching my students. And this is actually what students want to see. They want to see the passion. And I think it comes out quite well, and that's another reason why we're scoring so high in the NSS, because we have passionate and active researchers and lecturers and professors at the University of East Anglia.
So one really good thing about the seminars here at School of Economics is that, first of all, they are quite small. There aren't too many students in each seminar group. And also we use a variety of teaching methods out in the seminar groups and in the lectures. For example, we often use classroom experiments where we simulate the economic situation that we are studying, so participants in the seminars make decisions as consumers, as investors, as savers. We generate data sets that we then analyze and discuss in the seminar groups, and that's a really good way for people to get a feeling and really an in-depth understanding of the economic situation that is being studied.
I love teaching. I love teaching. I see teaching as a fundamental part of my job. I enjoy doing research, and I enjoy to inform my teaching with the research that I'm doing. And I couldn't possibly see myself an academic without either of the two components. And what I especially enjoy is the interaction with the students. So I always try to engage in dialogues which goes both ways. And I believe that what I receive from the students is actually mirroring in the other academic activities in which I am engaged.
I'm trying to engage the students as much as possible. So except from the traditional PowerPoint slides, which everyone gets to use, I also use the clickers, which is a new technology, and students seem to enjoy it quite a lot. This enables me at the end of the lecture to ask questions to the students. It is a who wants to be a millionaire kind of game. So they all get those clickers. I ask them questions about the lecture with 4 different possible answers, and they get to choose the answer that they think is correct. So based on that, I get the statistics immediately on the board, and the students get to see who has understood, or the percentage of students that got it right and the percent of students that got it wrong. Based on that, I can then reteach the material if students did not understand. But what is more important is that students feel comfortable to then ask questions. Because during the lecture, most of the students will feel quite, scared of putting their hands up and say, I'm sorry, I have not understood that. While when you do the clickers, they see that they are not the only ones that they have not understood something. There are other peoples amongst them that have not understood the concept. And therefore, this puts them at ease. And then we can start a discussion. They are very engaged, and we get to sort the kind of issue or concept that was misunderstood very easily. So I think this is a great tool that the University of East Anglia is providing.
I love teaching, and I'm very passionate about providing a forum where I can project the subject to the students and get them enthusiastic about the subject and all the little nuances of the subject. And it's really gratifying to see the next generation of students, when they graduate and they go on, they do really good things with their careers, and thinking, well, actually I taught those students whilst they were here at UEA.